taking you back to Chad to discover Ambunu. Ambunu is an old tradition from Africa. This tradition is almost dead in Chad, but I discovered it while talking with elder Chadian women. They told me that back in the day, women used to wash their scalp with it and at the same time use it to detangle their hair. The benefit of Ambunu comparing to other herbal shampoos like Shikakai is that it is actually very slippery and can be used as a natural conditioner. This plant contains saponin, which gives it its ability to cleanse, and it is an effective antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and emollient. To use Ambunu, you just have to mix it with water, let it sit on its own for 10 minutes until it becomes gooey. Then put it on your hair, rub it, detangle, and rinse it off.